Hey everyone,
Hey,
the day has arrived.
we're finally going to move the hibiscus. We've only said it about 400 times.
The time has not been right. And we had one weekend that we were going to do it that it rained and rained and
Yeah.
rained. So, yes, plus I think we've been dreading it a little.
Yeah, they're really huge, and I imagine they're going to take a minute to actually get out of the ground because we want to save them and move
Yes,
them.
we are going to move them. Now that said, if something happens, I'm not going to cry.
No.
We can buy more.
Yeah.
But these are one of the first things we put in this garden.
Yes.
Like I said in another video, this was the end cap to where our garden stopped.
Mm-hmm.
So all of that going forward was
new.
brand new. It's brand new this year.
Yeah.
So these are kind of sentimental a little bit, and they're beautiful.
They're very, very pretty.
Yeah.
As I'm sure if you've followed along and seen some of our garden tours, how pretty, and this is the ballerina one, so pretty in pink, and then we have the Holy Grail one.
So
the
ballet
back.
slippers.
Oh yeah.
Ballet
What
slippers.
I call it?
Pretty in pink. I
Pretty
don't know.
in pink. I don't.
Ballet
remember.
slippers, and we'll put up a little
ballerina.
video of what it looked like.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful white bloom with a beautiful soft pink outside and a deep pink inside.
Yeah.
Very, very pretty. Huge blooms, like they were enormous.
Like dinner plate size.
Yeah, and it bloomed for an entire month, just over and over and over.
Mm-hmm.
Now with hardy hibiscus, the blooms don't last long, like a day, maybe two at most, mostly a day, but it just puts them out one after the other.
Yeah, it's like you get a ton of blooms one day and say they all fall off. The next day it's loaded again.
Yeah,
so,
it just continues to bloom. And right now it does have new buds that are coming out.
Yeah, it's trying.
So it's kind of in a lull. It'll probably bloom again, but we're not worried about that. We've had what we need out of it.
Yep.
It's almost October. It's time to move it. We're doing this in the afternoon, evening.
Mm-hmm.
So we're in the shade. This will be shaded in its new location.
Yep.
Because I don't want it to be stressed.
No.
So giving it overnight tonight in the cooler temperatures. We've got low 80s, high 70s this week, I think.
I think so.
Yeah.
If I remember right. I think it's supposed to rain like ish.
But not hot.
But not hot.
Yeah, not hot. So we don't want to shock this too much, and the heat will do that.
Mm-hmm.
It's not going to be happy. It will wilt.
Mm-hmm.
We may have to cut it back. I don't want to cut it back. I want it to have some leaves for some photosynthesis and let it do its thing under the ground. We're going to move these just up the way. So we're actually going to dig the hole first.
Yeah.
We're going to water the hole so that it has a nice moist area for it to root into.
Yeah.
We're going to biotone in the hole just like normal. And then we're going to dig it up. And we've got hummingbirds going all over the place.
Yeah, we have like two that primarily stay down here because, there went one right, and that was Bumblebee.
That was a bumblebee.
I thought it was one of them, but they go back and forth, and they get very upset when we're down here, especially close to the flowers.
They don't like us near the feeders.
Because they're like,
but they'll be gone soon, which I'm not
which
happy
is sad.
about.
Oh,
But
I love the hummingbirds.
We've got another one back here as well. This is Holy Grail.
Yeah.
So we'll pop up some image of that as well. Really big bloom, like bigger than the ballet slippers.
Yeah, and pretty
dark red, like
Yeah.
a deep red. Beautiful, beautiful color. You can't see it back there, which is one of the reasons that we want to move it.
And it just clashes with the redbud.
Yeah, the redbud's looking a little sad right now, but it'll flush back out next year. It's just not been happy with its transplant and the heat this summer.
Yeah.
But we're going to go ahead and get started. We'll go ahead and dig the holes. Oh, we're adding a couple more hibiscus as well. So we've got
and cream.
cookies and cream.
And what else?
And we've got another Holy Grail that we're adding as well. So 4 in total that we'll be planting today with the 2 transplants. So let's get to it. Okay, we're gonna try to grab, oh, this has seeds in it. They're no good, but anyway, we're gonna grab as much of the root ball as we can. This
We
thing is
shall
massive.
see. Yeah, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 branches.
So this is supposed to get 4 feet tall. 4 feet tall by 5 feet wide. I'm 5'9".
yeah, it's
And
pretty
it's
much
its
max.
first year. It's the first year that we've had it in the garden. Oh, these have
Yeah.
got lots of buds on them. We're going to be sacrificing these flowers, but
Yeah.
you know what? It's got to go. We got to move it. Got to move it. It'll be happier where it's going. So let's try and grab as much as we can. I've got the shovel about 1.5 feet out, and I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, go. Straight down.
They
Oh,
didn't even
it's not
budge.
rooted out as far as I thought. It might be rooted to this side. Oh, that's a drip line. Drip line.
Love that for us.
Okay, let me move that. One moment, please.
There it goes.
I'm trying to be really dainty with this plant, y'all. I need to not be dainty with this plant. Do y'all do that? Is it just me? I know you don't,
I'm not.
but I am so ginger.
For
thinking,
me, I would have cut all the branches off of it.
I just can't do it, y'all. This is what happens when you give a hibiscus all the water at once.
Yeah, just loves this area. And as everybody can see, I'm working real hard right now.
I think he's nervous to.
Well, I'm
this.
scared to do it because if I kill it, then I'll I'll never hear the end of it.
He is right. Oh,
There we go.
look at that.
Jesus.
That's great. We left a lot of roots
Yeah,
behind.
look at all these big old roots.
We did
Wow.
leave a lot of roots behind, but we got what we needed.
Yeah.
She's not going to be happy, though.
Okay.
Lots of biotone, y'all. Lots and lots and lots. Whew. One down. One to go. One to go. Y'all, we lost a ton of roots.
Yeah.
We did. I mean, that's going to happen. That's normal. She was well rooted in, and I hate it because she was happy here, but
It's just what happens when you move.
I keep calling her she. I don't know if she's she. Well, she is what she is.
Yeah.
So for me, she's she.
Well, ballerina slippers.
That's true.
She.
There are male ballerinas,
Well,
though.
true.
Okay, so this is a new Holy Grail, straight out of the can. That's what this looked like
Last year.
last year.
Yeah.
To that. Incredible plants. Absolutely incredible. Cookies and cream. Beautiful, solid white bloom. I I had one of these last year. It didn't make it. So I had to have another one. They were
I've
just
made
too
fun
pretty.
of him all year about it.
It took me so long to find one, but you're going to notice we're planting this one very high and it's going to be hilled up. That's because if you saw our tree video, we're going to slope this. So we're filling this part in. So we're going to be building the ground up to match this. So that's why you're seeing that. Oh, look at that. Nice healthy roots. Love seeing that. I don't even want to talk about it. It looks so empty. Look, y'all.
Everything can breathe now a little bit.
Oh, goodness. Like, this is... That was
a lot of
so
space.
much space.
Yeah.
So much space. And you know, I love those plants. They're incredible. But you have to be willing to give some space for them. That's why, actually, where we put them, we were going to do 3 of the Holy Grail instead of 2. I'm kind of considering going back to just 1.
Because they just get so big.
Because they're just so big and we have very limited space. So we may scale that back. I don't know. I can give 1 to my mom, no problem. Actually, I am going to give her 1 already, so I can give her 2, no problem. But let's take you from here, which I'm really glad you can now see, because this is all going to be purples back through here. So our latris is back there. We can see that now. I've got 1 more shrub that's going to go here to fill in this space just a little bit, which is coming soon. We've already purchased it. I'm moving this back. This Veronica is going to go back here because it gets very tall. So that'll fill in and that'll be great. So let's take you up the way just a little bit. We didn't move them far. Just up here. So this is our new garden area where you're going to see tons and tons of dirt. So we did the ballet slippers here, and this is a video coming soon. I alluded to this in last week's video. We're doing Barbie. I know, Michael's not smiling at all. I don't know how excited he is about it, but this is going to be all Barbie through this entire area. So all pink to go with our pink here. She is starting to wilt just a tiny bit, but I expected that. We do have our hydrangea back here. I know she looks lost, but this gets over 8 feet tall, and we're going to let her get over 8 feet tall. So that's going to be enormous back here. And then on this side, we've got the Holy Grail. So, of course, this is the one we moved. That's the one that we just freshly planted. They are going to grow together. We're fine with that. But I'm really considering, I think we only need 1. We are going to have a statue right here for scale.
Placement-ish.
Yeah.
Like
we can move her forward. And it's not, this isn't dug in or anything. But I don't know. You all tell me. 1 or 2? I don't know. What are you thinking?
I think 2.
You think 2?
Yeah, I think 2.
Okay. I think we'll give it a season probably and see, but you all just tell us what you think. Especially with the statue here, she'll be on a pedestal. She'll be kind of tall, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. And then, of course, our cookies and cream on the end. This is going to look a little odd right now. Like I said, it's planted high because we have to fill this in. So all of this will be leveled out down to her. We want her at the bottom of the hill that we're creating because she's going to love the moisture from that. So we're also continuing this next year. So this will not be the end of the dirt. So what you see here will actually continue for another probably 20 to 30 feet.
Yeah.
So not the end of our garden space. So I think there you have it. These really fill out the space already.
Yeah.
We are also putting a Japanese, there go the deer.
Yeah, I hear them trotting.
1 deer, only 1 today. We are putting a Japanese maple back here as well. So probably about here-ish.
Yeah.
And it will grow tall and fill out over top. We do know that'll probably end up shading this eventually, but I don't think it's going to get that big, the one that we have. So Should be fine. These are going to wilt down. I'm expecting that over the next few hours. We did plant them in the evening, so hopefully that will prevent a lot of the stress that you'll normally get with transplanting. Doing it in the hot, hot sun, not a great idea. So we're doing it in the evening. They're nice and shaded right now. They'll get no more sun today. And we watered them in very well.
Yeah.
Very, very, very well. So there we have it. You ready to close out?
Yep.
Okay.
And there you have it.
Yeah, and I know she's not a beautiful backdrop right now because she's got no flowers on her. I sat down thinking, oh, it's a great place to close the video, but maybe she doesn't look so hot right now, but that's okay.
Still looks good.
Yeah.
Well,
she's gonna have lots of plants in front of her to cover up the bits when she's not in flower, which are a big part of the season. But when these bloom, man, they're beautiful.
Yeah,
they are
very
absolutely
pretty.
gorgeous. So
wasn't very as hard as I expected to move them.
you didn't dig them.
See, well, as I said earlier, you know, I had the most important part of the job.
I need you to sound off right now. Tell him he had the hard part, right?
Yeah, I did. I had the hard part, supervising.
But you know, I think we've reached an understanding with jobs like this because if I break it,
he's
no big deal.
Yeah, no. He may cry a little bit.
I will cry and it will hurt me, but it's my fault. I don't want it to be his fault.
Yeah, neither do I, because I literally will hear about it until
forever.
Yeah.
So that's why I do the majority of that kind of work. Plus, it's just, I don't know, it makes me feel better to know that my hands are in there doing it. I'm very much a control freak.
When it comes to plants.
Yeah.
It's like he's the control freak when it comes to plants, and I'm the control freak.
He's a very easygoing person, period.
Well, cleaning.
Well, that's your thing.
That's my thing.
But in all, he's very easygoing. I'm not. I'm generally not. I take things very seriously, and when things happen that are our fault, I get upset about it. So, but then I let it go, and then we're good. Yeah. So it all works itself out in the end. But I would just prefer that it be my fault if something were to happen. And again, we lost some big roots, but I think these will be totally fine. They're very, very sturdy plants, so they'll be all good. But I'm really glad that we got that done. That's our biggest big job left for the year.
Yeah, the rest is not too bad.
Yeah, lots of more planting to go. Lots of more. Lots of more.
Lots of more.
We just had pizza for lunch, so maybe that's why. Lots more to come this season. We still have much more planting to do. We will be going into holiday season soon with our decorating. So we're planning to share that with you, as well as a trip to New York that we're going to share with you. Not gardening, but
no,
we're going to see a giant tree.
But there'll be trees.
Lots of trees
involved. So
lots and lots of trees.
That's technically kind of gardening.
I think so. And I hope you all will enjoy it. Let us know what you think of that. Hopefully you'll join us for that as well. If you haven't already, what do they need to do?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Join our Instagram as well. We're trying to ramp that one up, and Michael takes some really beautiful pictures.
Yeah, I try to keep it. Oh, I try to post regularly, but
we've slacked off a little bit.
Yeah,
right
it kind of comes and goes. It just depends on how busy we are outside.
We're going to become more regular with that, though.
Yeah.
So more to come there. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Bye. See you later.